Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change app label in my phone Moto G04. App label means the text written under the app icon. See here. Here calculator is written. Okay, this is written in one row. Okay, see here. This is one word, so no problem. See here. This is Kodak account open. So it is written in one row, but if it is longer, some portion of the text is cut. Okay, so to see the full, you can set this this row to this one row to two row, so that text will be written in two row, first row, and then if it is lengthy, remaining text will be in the second row. Okay, so in this way you can change. Now you will learn how to do it. First go to the settings of our phone here, then go to settings icon, then go to home and lock screen and click on home settings, and here select app label. By default it is set to one row. Now click on two rows, so that lengthy text will be printed in two row. See here, Kotak account open. Okay, in a similar way, see here, this is Motorola notifications, this is sound recorder. So lengthy text are converted into two rows. Okay, suppose if you want to set to no row, okay, that means if you don't show any text under the icon, just click on don't show, so no text will be showing. Okay, only using the icon you can understand that this is what app. Okay, for example, by seeing this icon you can understand that this is calculator. By seeing this icon you can understand that this is Google Chrome. Okay, if you know previously that icon, then only you can understand. Okay, otherwise you cannot. Okay, so it is better to set in one row or two row. Okay, so I go to again settings, then go to home settings, and then go to app label, and I keep in one row. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.